Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Opa Rupiah. I will present my research with the title Semiotic of Kagungan Batik in Kuningan District. Content, Introduction, Literature Review, Method, Result and Discussion, and Conclusion. Introduction, Kuningan Batik, produced by Kuningan Batik Craftsmen, has various motif names and use Sundanese as the regional language in Kuningan Regency. One of the Kuningan Batik motif is Kagungan. The use of Kuningan Batik is mostly used in government agency, education office, and civil servant. This is due to government regulation related to the rules for the use of Kuningan Batik. With government regulation regarding the use of Kuningan Batik, it is also important to know the meanings and sign contained in the Kuningan Batik motif. Kagungan Batik motif certainly contains sign and meaning that reflects the Kuningan character. The process of interpreting sign in Kagungan Batik use icon, index, and symbol. The purpose of this study is to determine the sign and meaning in the Kagungan Batik motif. Literature review, Batik and Semiotic. The word Batik comes from the Japanese language, namely amba, which means writing, and nitik, which means point. The meaning of the combination of the two words is writing with wax. Semiotic, etymologically derived from the Greek word meaning semion, sign. Semiotic can be defined as the science of the sign and the study of the system, rules, and convention that allow this sign to have meaning. Trichotomy Charles Sandervis, a sign or representation refers to its object denotatum in three main ways, namely icon, index, and symbol. Through the so-called iconic sign, a sign refers to its denotatum by way of designation or by using a sign VH that is indexical, and a shaded VH refers to its object by agreement. This is relationship is called a symbolic relationship, and the sign are called symbolic sign. Method. The method used in this study is a qualitative method with textual analysis. The type of research used is explanatory research. Data collection method and technique used in this research are observation, interview, document, and triangulation technique. Result and discussion. In this Kagungan Batik, sign in Kagungan Batik in the typology of sign according to Peirce, which consists of icon, index, and symbol. Icon, this is bokor. The bokor icon symbolizes the history of the bird of the duck of Kuningan, who later become the first head of government in Kuningan. In the folklore of Kuningan Regency, bokor is a panuker item between baby Ki Gedeng Lur Agung and bokor Nyi Rara Sumanding or Princess Ongtin. Index. The index of Kagungan Batik is that the horse is an index of the means of transportation or mount of the king. While no horses are used as a traditional means of transportation, as towing from a cart that used 2, 3, or 4 wheels, this means of transportation is called a wagon or saddle. Symbol, this is 6. One horse have historical story as a mean of struggle used by Duke Ewanga in defeating his enemy. The horse is a gallant and agile horse and was given the name Siwindu, so that from there the term Letik Kuda Kuningan or small brass horse emerged out of the horse. Body is small, its strength is extraordinary. Such a fish or ikan dewa or kancara bodas, the good fish which is found in Cigugur, Dharmaloka, Cibulan, and Pasawahan, is a characteristic of Kuningan Regency because it does not exist in other areas. Entry, Linggarjati negotiation. The Linggarjati negotiation building marks an important moment as evidence of the history of the struggle of the Indonesian people in the negotiation between the Republic of Indonesia and the Dutch government after the War of Independence. 4. Moncirmai is a symbol that Kuningan Regency is located at the foot of Mount Ciremai. Mount Ciremai is the pride of the Kuningan people because it is the highest mountain in West Java. 5. Leaf. Kuningan Regency has a vast nature and is overgrown with lush and green tree. To protect its natural beauty, especially the Mount Ciremai, so that environment damage does not occur, the Mount Ciremai area is a natural conservation area. And six, yellow. The first Kagungan batik design was made in yellow. The yellow color contained in the Kagungan motif is light yellow, dark yellow, and golden yellow. The colors yellow has the meaning of prosperity, majesty, and nobility. The yellow color is also adapted to the name Kagungan Regency, which comes from the kingdom of Kajene, which means yellow or gold. Conclusion. The conclusion of the semiotic research on Kagungan batik in Kuningan Regency seems from the relationship with the object consists of 1. The icon found in the Kagungan motif, namely the bokor, symbolizes the history of the birth of the duck of Kuningan, later become the first head of government in Kuningan. 2. The index contained in Kagungan batik is the horse, a traditional transportation use a wheeler from a cart using 2, 3, or 4 wheels called a wagon or saddle. 3. 3 are 6 symbols found in Kagungan batik, namely horse, goldfish or ikan dewa or kancra bodas, linggar jati, negotiation, Mount Ciremai, leaf, and yellow. Thank you.